Students, some questions related to potentials and electric field, how they are related. Let us discuss the 2 to 3 questions on the basis of that. Before that, I would like to remind you the formulas related to potential and electric field intensity. You know that is potential at a point V equal to you know it equal to W upon Q naught, and that is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. This is the formula for the due to a single point charge. And another also formula, second formula you must be knowing, that is VB minus VA equal to minus E vector dot ds vector integration from A to B. Always look on this formula. ये formula देख के थोड़ा डर लगता होगा, but कुछ नहीं है, easily you can understand it. And the third formula you are using, that is equal to E equal to minus dV by dx or dV by dr. So you can use these three formulas, and we can discuss some questions here. First of all, I would like to discuss you more about that one. Suppose electric field intensity is like that. Electric field intensity is like that. This is the E. If I want to find out the point A, this is the point A and this is the point B. So what will be the formula for the VB minus VA? So VB minus VA, that must be equal to, if the distance is like that, VB minus VA, that will be the minus E into delta x. If it is distance is x, if you find the delta Ex, that is because VB minus VA you are taking from VB minus VA, that is equal to minus E into delta x. Same formula we are using. Integration का meaning वही होता है, minus करके. Suppose if you use this one, apply. This the electric field is like that. Electric field like that, and displacement is from here to here. From this is the A and this is the B. The displacement is y, and electric field is along this direction, and displacement equal to AB vector is along this direction. So what will be the VB minus VA? So VB minus VA. So this will be equal to minus E vector dot delta x vector. If you take the delta x, this will be the, you can take the delta x vector. So what is the angle between E vector and delta x vector? The angle between E vector and delta x vector equal to 90 degree. So VB minus VA will be equal to 0. Potential difference is 0 because E delta x cos 90. E delta x cos 90. Simply दोनों को बीच में डिस्टेंस लेना है और E वेक्टर को लेना है, उनको डॉट प्रोडक्ट कर लो और इंटीग्रेट कर लो, जो रिजल्ट मिलेगा that is the VB minus VA. And another this thing you know it from the previous video, that is electric field intensity is the negative of पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट E इक्वल टू माइनस डी बाई डी एक्स. सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है, ध्यान देना, जिस डायरेक्शन में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है उसी डायरेक्शन में पोटेंशियल गिरता जाएगा, रिड्यूस होता रहता है. सो दैट इज दैट इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड पोटेंशियल रिड्यूसेस. ये कॉन्सेप्ट को भी ध्यान देना है. सो ध्यान दे दोगे तो क्वेश्चन इजीली कर लोगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 क्या बता रहे देखो. I am using the question number 1. Question number 1, justify electric field is a conservative force. और क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, electric force is a conservative force. Justify electric field is a conservative force. If you do not know the meaning of the conservative force, no possible to answer this question. What is the meaning of conservative force? The force under which work done is independent of path followed is called conservative force. Repeating it, the force under which work done is independent of path followed, doesn't depend upon the path, is called the conservative force. Or the force under which work done in a closed path is equal to 0, that is the conservative force. Suppose conservative force, what you are telling it, suppose the point A and this is the point B. Point A and point B. If you move from A to B, and what amount of work is done, suppose WAB work is done, and if you move from B to A, work done equal to WB to A, if both the work done will be 0 plus WBA, if it is 0, this is called conservative force because that work is done if it is under the effect of any type of force, that is the conservative force. So electric force is a conservative force, gravitational force is a conservative force, spring force is a conservative force. So you know the meaning of that conservative force. We have to justify the electrostatic force, the force that is the electric force, electrostatic force is a conservative force. Means if the work will be done under the effect of or due to the electric force in a closed path, that will be the 0, then it is a conservative force. That you have to justify it. First of all, how? Suppose electric field is there. I have taken, electric field is taken like that. Suppose the electric field is any other direction, do it. Electric field is along this way. Electric field is there. I am taking a body from A and this is the point B. So I want to take the charge from A to B like that. So what amount of work will be done? Work done equal to in taking it from WAB. So if the electric field is E, so what will be the formula? So WAB that is equal to VB minus VA, and this is equal to minus integration of E vector dot dl vector. Work done in taking a test charge. If you bring the Q naught charge, so Q naught will be multiplied there. Otherwise, WAB A to B, if a unit positive test charge if you are bringing, that is VB minus VA, that is equal to minus E dot dl, and here the limits will be taken from A to B. You know it, you practice. But इसको practice करते रहना. A to B. This is the work done. If you bring the charge from B to A along this path, that will be the WBA, and same formula you do it. WBA B to A, that is equal to VA minus VB. VA minus VB, I am writing the VA minus VB, that is equal to minus E vector dot dl vector integration from B to A. Integration from B to A. So what will be the total work done? So total work done equal to total work done W equal to WAB plus WBA, both the force. So this will be equal to VB minus VA plus VA minus VB, both the parts I am adding, and this is equal to, that is will be equal to, what will be the, because the integral, if you add this to integral, so you are finding that is equal to integration of E vector or dl vector, closed integration, that is minus, there is closed integration for E to dl. E to dl matlab we are taking it from A to B and B to A, again it is returning it to A. So what is the VB minus VA equal to plus VA minus VB? VB we cancelled and VA cancelled, so this is you are finding the 0. So total work done in taking the charge from A to B. Here in this case we have represented that the unit test charge is brought from A to B, again it is returning back from B to A. The total work done is 0. So that work under the electric field, because we are using the electric field here, work under the electrostatic field or electrostatic force in a closed loop is 0. That is why electrostatic force is a conservative force. You have to simply explain in this manner. WAB A to B ले रहे, B to A ले रहे, तो उसका WAB निकाल दिया, WBA निकाल दिया, total work done 0 हो गया. So it is a conservative force. This is all about for this question. Question number 2. Question number 2, what it is telling? Question number 2. If 100 joule of work has to be done in moving an electric charge 4 coulomb from a place where potential is minus 10 volt to another place where the potential is V volt, find the value of V. So at one place the potential is given. Suppose this place you take it as the VA. So question number two, that is you take it the VA equal to minus 10 volt. And what is VB? And VB equal to V volt. Already this is the question you have to find out. And what the charge is given, work done is given, that is 100 joule. So WAB is given. If you bring it from A to B, WAB equal to 100 joule. And you know the formula, WAB. If you bring it from A to B, that must be equal to VB minus VA. WA to B, that is VB minus VA. Sign convention will be coming, be careful for that. WAB equal to VB minus VA, because always you are finding in reverse way. WAB equal to VB minus VA, that is equal to, what is the VB? So VB equal to V volt, and what is VA? Minus 10 volt. V minus of minus 10 volt. And that is the WAB is given 100 joule. So 100 joule, 100 equal to V plus 10 volt, that is, or V equal to, you are finding 100, I think W equal to VB minus VA. Moving a charge, sorry, that is actually charge is given here, that is charge is given. Q naught already you know it, Q naught equal to 4 coulomb, WAB by Q naught, WAB by Q naught, that is equal to VB minus VA, because WAB by Q naught equal to VB minus VA, potential difference, that is V minus, and you are finding this value, V minus or minus 10 volt, or 100 upon Q naught is given, that is 4 coulomb, that is equal to V plus 10 volt, or that is equal to 25, equal to V plus 10, or V equal to 25 minus 10, that is equal to 15 volt. So rest quantity is equal to 15 volt. You are finding, this is the final answer for that. The total potential at point, second point you are finding. Third question is that the electric potential V at any point xyz in space is given by V equal to 4x square. This is you are finding, as you are finding V equal to 4x square, calculate the electric field at that point. This is the non-uniform electric field. The third question is just the electric field V at any point xyz in the space is given by relation. A relation is given. That is non-uniform electric field you are finding here. So V equal to, question 3, V equal to 4x square is given. This is given equation. Calculate the electric field at the point 1 meter, 0, 2 meter. So what will be the electric field? You know the formula, E equal to minus dV by dr. But here actually as per the equation it is given, because V is changing with respect to the x. So simply you can tell it as the minus dV by dx. E equal to minus dV by dx, and see you can get it the minus d by dx. What is V? V equal to 4x square. So this will be equal to, that is, if you take it the minus 4 into 2x, that is minus 8x. The question is asking that at that point 1 meter, 0, 2 meter, what will be the intensity? So intensity at point 1, 0, 2. So this is equal to minus 4 into 2 into 1, because x equal to 1 here. So that is equal to minus 8. What will be the unit? That is volt per meter. The unit equal to volt per meter. If you represent it in the vector form, direction, if you want to give the direction, because of the voltage is, or the potential is changing with respect to the x, if you represent the intensity direction, so E field equal to, E vector equal to, simply you can write E vector equal to minus 8 I cap, equal to, that is volt per meter. So I am applying, my point is that you can apply this point whenever the potential or electric field intensity is in non-uniform electric field. And this is the case, you can apply directly VB minus VA, WAB, like that. This is the case whatever you applied, that is Vb minus Va, that is equal to potential difference between 2 points is the negative line integral of the electrostatic field. In this manner you try to practice more and more questions. Thank you.